Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Judd Albring and I'm talking to you about the ClickFunnels free book. So there's actually right now, there's a couple books, but there's three main books that people are snatching up like wildfire from ClickFunnels. And the first one is Expert Secrets. So this is the big dog. This is kind of the holy grail, the Bible, if you will, for online entrepreneurs. People swear by this book. I have this book. I actually have read this book so many times. I referred back to it when I'm building funnels for myself and my clients. So I always recommend people, this is actually the second book, but I recommend people start here and then I'll show you the next one. But if you're, this is just a great place to really teach you how to get your message out, how to build your tribe, and how to kind of piece your funnels together so that you're getting, you're making the most of your funnels and you're actually getting the traffic, which is most important, getting the people there and keeping them there. So this is a mind-blowing book because if you don't have a product or a service or you've been thinking about something, this is really going to help you uncover your true potential, that you can sell anything. You are an expert in something, and this is going to help you find it. Trust me. So that is the first free book. I'll put a link below for you. You do pay shipping and handling on that, but it is a free book. So the next one is same thing, shipping and handling, but it's free. And these are soft copies, guys. They're great because you definitely will go back to these books over and over. Now, the .com Secrets book is more on the building funnels, like what type of funnel should you build for what you're trying to accomplish. So this really goes through the technical side of it. However, it's not a technical book. I hope that makes sense. It really breaks it out in plain English, and it kind of gives you that aha moment, like, I get it now. I understand why I need a funnel, why this is important. And some great people, give some testimonials. John Lee Dumas, Jeff Walker, creator of the product launch formula funnel. So these are just, this book is, well, these two go hand in hand. How's that sound? So it's like part 1 and 2. So depending on where you are in your journey, I still recommend you go with Expert Secrets first, and then this stuff kind of, I like going with Expert Secrets, and then as I go through .com Secrets, I kind of like see my vision better, if that makes sense. And then the third option is a new book that Russell has released, which is Network Marketing Secrets, because a lot of people in the network marketing industry are starting to build funnels because they're tired of doing things the old way, right? Hotel meetings, house parties, calling up friends and family. So this is cutting out all that uncomfortableness and teaching you how to build a funnel to get people into your network marketing business and your downline. So this is a great, great book, guys. It's a super simple read. It's not as detailed as these two, but it has some great information. You could probably read this in less than an hour. But you can get this book free plus shipping and handling. I'll put a link below for that. So those are the ClickFunnels free books, guys, that you can get now. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I have lots of stuff on ClickFunnels, affiliate marketing, email automation. Thank you so much and have a great day.